Oops, guys, do you face this? Brushes keep falling and creating mess while we are focusing on our paintings. Then I have some interesting DIY for you. Can you see the brush rest? So now the brushes have their place to sit without making moves here and there and creating mess. If you are not an art creator but any of your friends or relatives is art creator and you are thinking what to give them, then this is a very nice idea, guys. I bet this gift will be loved by them. So without wasting further time, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more of such interesting ideas, guys. Also share it with your friends and family. Let's get started. We will be requiring molded adrite clay, then sparkling pearl colors of any brand, and artist picture varnish to give it a coating, acrylic lacquer spray of golden color. So these are the things that we'll be requiring. Just add talcum powder to it, guys, while working with clay. So let's use this molded. It's an airtight clay. This packet comes only of 20 rupees. Like this, hardener and resin is there, and we have to mix them in equal quantities. So we can work maximum of 30 to 35 minutes until it gets hard. We have to mix it thoroughly. We don't want this marble effect, but nice smooth texture. Okay, this is the first brush rest. I am going to make it a circular shape, and with the help of brush I am giving the shape. So guys, did you notice how easy it is to create brush rest holders, and they will be so much helpful. So a little bit of hard work and you will be sorted. Now I am making another brush rest, and guys, just see to it that the finishing is good. Now I am going to divide this for holding the brush rest in two parts, same as before, and with the help of talcum powder just give it a finishing touch. So till we are satisfied with the shape, keep working on it. We have a good amount of time, 30 to 35 minutes, till this clay get hard. See, these two are ready. Now I am making the third one. So just smoothing it with talcum powder, and again with the help of scale I'm just giving it proper edges. Flat edges are required. This is very much essential that we enjoy this process. You know, this clay texture is so soft and soothing. I just love to give it shapes. Just have patience and enjoy the process and the feel of the clay. Now with the help of brush, I'm going to divide it into 3 parts to keep 3 brushes. So just give it gentle press, and again with the help of talcum powder give it finishing touches. So shape you can give anything as per your choice. I just wanted this simple but sober looking brush rest, so I have given this shape, but you can give shape as per your choice. See, this is the fourth one that I wanted to create actually 3, but there was clay remaining, so I didn't want to waste it, so I have created this smaller one. Now once they dry, then we will do the coloring process because we don't want the brush marks on it. First I have applied this white base coat, and now with the help of this Acrylic lacquer spray of golden color, I'll show you how I'll be spraying it on our brush rest. So just keep the brush rest and gently press, and it's done. So easy, right? And it looks so awesome, guys. Now I am using pearl turquoise blue. It has a little bit of shine, guys. These pearl colors have a little bit of shine, and the second color that I have used is sparkling pearl violet. Sparkling pearl has little extra shine compared to pearl color. By the way, guys, did you notice the change of hands? Yeah, these smooth hands are of my daughter. She is 11 years old and she is equally passionate about art and craft. She was like tempted that I want to do this one, so I gave her this opportunity. And guys, could you make the difference that this one is not created by me? So she is equally talented, guys. Now I am applying pearl white color, and the other combination that I'm using is pearl turquoise blue. It is also shiny. So guys, this way you can create awesome brush rest holders, and this pearl colors add extra shine to your brush rest. Now I am using a stencil brush, but you can use any of your old brush which is become stiff and its bristles are like haywire. The best use of those brushes is creating this galaxy design. So never throw your brushes, use them. They will be best to use when you want to create such galaxy type of art. I have used sparkling pearl deep rose and black color to paint this galaxy. Now I am splattering some white stars with the help of a brush. This is called splattering technique. Wow, an awesome aesthetic galaxy brush rest is ready. So you can see here all our brush rests are looking awesome and superb. If you are an art creator, this is a must in your kitty. These will save you lots of time managing the brushes, and if you gift it to your art lover friends, they will be delighted to receive such awesome useful gift. So guys, if you create this brush rest, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. Also do tag us on Instagram stories. We will be happy to reshare your artwork. Please do check out other DIY tutorials on my channel. Until then, art you all. Bye bye. Thank you for staying by.